Hey everyone, what's up? So I've been working across crypto testing infrastructure for around 9 years at this point, and honestly, locating legitimate services has become genuinely difficult. The entire internet landscape is flooded with fraudulent platforms, paid YouTube promotions, sponsored search results, influencer partnerships, mostly all scams. I'd estimate around 90% of Flash USDT platforms are running fraud operations, because finding trustworthy services feels almost impossible currently. But some legitimate providers still exist if you verify thoroughly. GetFlashUSDT is one of the rare platforms that's proven consistently reliable. I've been using them approximately 14 months now. Stable operations, transparent implementations, dependable interface, and zero questionable patterns. So let me demonstrate this live.
Okay, dashboard's up. First thing is quantity selection. 4 packages showing, each displays costs and scenarios. Let's taking this one. Good. Now setting visibility duration. It's from 1 hour to 7 days available. And for this demo, going with 24 hours. Okay, next is target address input and network selection. Okay, choosing TRC20, then switching to wallet, copying my USDT TRC20 address back here, pasting. Perfect, it matches. And final step is clicking Buy Flash. There it is. So payment options are direct transfer or wallet connection. Wallet connection is easier. Selecting trust, processing, and yes, excellent. 500k tokens generated and sent. Let's just wait for balance confirmation. And while confirmation happens, let me explain why I trust this app. And it's based on getting scammed before.
Okay, first loss was around 7 years ago. It was heavily promoted app everywhere, looked completely professional, paid roughly $420 for premium package, tokens appeared perfect in dashboard, but blockchain verification showed nothing existed. No transaction hashes, no smart contracts, purely fake simulation. Contacted support repeatedly, got one automated response, then silence. Site disappeared after 6 months, classic exit scam. Second mistake came 3 years later, sophisticated platform with active community, detailed documentation, paid $580 for lifetime access. Tokens worked initially for about 10 weeks, then platform demanded additional maintenance fees to continue using already purchased service. Refused paying, lost all access. Support claimed fees were always disclosed, complete lie.
So when I found GetFlashUSDT, I verified everything first, generated minimum amount, checked blockchain independently, real smart contract confirmed, contacted support with technical questions, received detailed human responses, researched independent communities, found real users with verifiable hashes, started small, tested 18 weeks before scaling, and that revealed key differences: legitimate blockchain activity independently confirmable, and delivered features matching descriptions exactly. Occasional delays during congestion happen. Support might take days during high demand, but these are normal operations, not red flags. So if you want to test it, links in pinned comment. Verify everything independently. Never trust platform displays alone. Build skills safely here. Avoid expensive lessons I learned. And share your results. See you guys.